Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our new video on how to take a quiz on Moodle. I am Mr. Sikwebu, your digital technology teacher. So every week you are going to have a quiz which is going to be based on work that we are going to do that current week, and I want to show you in this video how to take a quiz. How do you answer a quiz? And so to log in, we go to learn.linksidehs.co.za/Moodle. You can do this, of course, on your app also. It will work the same on the app on the cell phone, and you don't have to log in all the time there. And I will insert my password and I will log in. Then it brings me to the announcement screen or the landing page where I'll find the course categories and the courses for which I am registered. Otherwise, I can go to my courses and I can select the course that I want, and in this case it would be digital technology, either digital technology grade 8 or grade 9, depending on what grade you are in. But because of this video, I want to use grade 10 IT because there is a quiz that is currently ready there. And so you will then, when you select IT grade 10, it will bring you to the IT grade 10 page. On there, you will then see the general, you will see the different items that you have access to on this course. And if you go to the bottom of the page, which in all likelihood is the current work, you will then see here it says quiz, all right, and hardware and software, and it will also say mark as done. Now this is quite important to mark as done, so that the system knows that you have done it, and it just records it for you. So please, when you are done with this quiz, or when you're done downloading anything, let's say you are downloading this document, you are taking this this exercise, please just click mark as done so that the system records that accordingly. Alright, so you would then select on the quiz, and it will also then show you when it opened, when does it close, and it closes on Friday at 11:59, and then you can take the quiz. For you it will say take the quiz, I think, because I'm admin, it wants me to preview it, but for you it will say attempt quiz or take the quiz. But click on the button that communicates you taking a quiz. So let me say preview quiz, and this is question number 1. We have different questions here. For this one I have 14, and you can juggle them as you so see fit. So whichever question you want to start with, you can just navigate to that question. Okay, so let's go to number 1. I'm just going to drag and drop these items to where I think they belong, and if I'm done, if I think my answers are all correct, then I can click on next. And obviously, while you are dragging and dropping, you drag them and drop having first read what the sentence is that is missing the questions, and then list any 2 advantages of computers. Here you are going to write your answer, and here also another answer, another. Okay, before I am charged for spelling errors. Then next, still another. Okay, and then so we can just keep on going, and you will see that once a question, there's something flagged in a question, you will have this arrow. So if you go and see what is the question, what's the problem, this question requires a response of at least 10 words, and you are attempting to submit 2 words. Please expand your response and try again. So basically I'm just going to take this, paste it there, and move to the next question, and you will see that arrow moves away. Then here, match the hardware description. So you choose the correct answer that matches this description. So you select the correct answer here. So I'm just going to randomly select answers here. Okay, then I click on next. The next question also does the same. So as you see, for you to know these answers, you would have had to read, and you can actually do these as an open book as you research your answers, and you are welcome to do it as an open book. And then you have this type of question which has a radio button, this round thing here, and it only allows you to select one answer. If it were a square thing, it would allow you to select multiple answers. Here you can only select one answer. Then you can click on next. We are going to click on next again. So what is information? Why is information important? I will just say important. A communication device, you select the correct answer, and the number last question is this one. And if we can just go back to this, so questions that I have to type something in, those are the questions that I am going to have to mark. The other ones where you select, they are self-marking. So this quiz will not give you, sorry, I click on next page, let's say, because I know I'm finished. This quiz will not give you your final mark yet, because there are questions that I must manually mark myself. So you can then finish attempt, and it was going to show me the answers that have been answered, and I can return to the attempt if I want to finish an answer that I see I haven't done. Otherwise I can submit all and finish. It will then show me the answers that I've answered correctly, and list any two advantages. These are the answers then that I must come back and correct, or mark. And when you are done, you can just say finish review, which it takes you back to here, and then you can say mark is done. And it is not going to show you your grade yet because of the answers that need to be marked by me. So I hope this video was very clear. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, but yeah, keep checking the group for new content or new videos as we learn how to use Moodle for digital technologies. Thank you very much. Till next video, goodbye.